Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can open a PayPal account in Japan. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to paypal.com/jp/home and you should see this on your screen. From here, you're going to go to the top right corner and click on this button right here. After that, you would be given a choice to either start a personal account or a business account. Choose accordingly to what you need, and then click on Get Started Now. And then people will ask you to select a country or region. So for this video, we're gonna select Japan. Then click Get Started Now. After that, people will ask an email address that you will use for this new account. So, put in your email and click Next. Then, soon after, it will ask you to input a telephone number that would directly be linked to this account. So, put in a telephone number. Once you input your telephone number, click on Next. And then, after that, it will ask you to verify that phone number that you just input. And you can receive it via voice call or through a message. And after that, your PayPal account will be verified. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!